Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use Needle's summarization feature to get summaries of lengthy earnings call transcript into 3 to 4 page documents to fast track your analysis and save time. To get summaries, you can go to exchanges from the bottom left in navigation and select any capital market. Here I will be selecting US capital market. Once you are into the capital market, you can go to the exchanges tab and for quick results you can just select a filter which can be earnings call transcript. Here you will see all the earnings call transcripts that keep flowing into Needl-ai. You can scroll down and look for the company's transcript that you are interested in. Let's say I take an example of Circle Medical Corporation. Here you can click on the three dot menu which is present in the top right and go to summarization. When you go to summarization, it will ask you to either select a notebook or create a new one. For this tutorial, let me select a notebook as home and click on done. Click on done, it will start generating the summary. Usually it takes a minute or two to get the summary generated and showing up in your notebook. Here I already have a summary which I had generated some time back, which we'll be taking as an example. When I go to the home notebook, here I will be seeing a summary of meta platforms that I had created some time back. You can open the summary here and you will see that the complete earnings call transcript has just been converted into a very insightful summary. The summary is divided into multiple sections like introduction, financial performance, business updates, future guidance and outlooks, miscellaneous, and Q&A insights. Q&A insights is very important as it highlights the red flags where the management tried avoiding a question or gave an answer which was not very satisfactory. Here you can find all the insights without going through the whole summary. All of these points are also backed with citations to the original source. When you click on these citations, they will take you to the section in the transcript where this point was discussed. I hope this was helpful. Do give it a try and summarize any of the company that you are interested in. If you need any help, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to assist. Thank you.